Naval Beach Unit 7 held a change of command ceremony on May 10th at Yokose Naval Base to bid farewell to Commander Jessica Betz and welcome Commander Fred Crayton.
Being a Forward Deployed Naval Force sailor, you have to be stronger of sorts because you don't have your normal foundation of family support that you would have stateside. So what I've learned is that you create the command like a family environment, that you look out for one another, that whether you're in uniform or out of uniform.
It's a great opportunity to take command of the vanguards of NBU 7. You know, by far it's the hardest bunch of sailors I had the privilege to work with. And, you know, with them behind me, I know that there's nothing that we can't accomplish together with our teamwork.
Reporting from Sasebo, this is Petty Officer Joseph Vasquez.